Hello guys, how are you? So welcome to my channel IG Tech Team and also welcome to part 3 of alphabet recognition system. So guys, I hope you have watched demo part 1 and part 2 of alphabet recognition system. Now this is part 3 and in this part 3 I will predict my letter. So we have successfully extract our alphabet in this trace. Now I will use this counter method once again in this block. So let me write blackboard, BORD blackboard CNTS equals to, let me use find counter method once again in this block. So find counters and I need to find the counters in this trace. So I need to pass trace here, trace, and then let me pass cb2.retr tree. So this is counter retrieval mode, and in counter approximation method let me pass cb2.chain approx none. So what is this? You can share in this find counters I have passed source, and then counter retrieval method is the cb2.retr external, and here I have passed cb2.retr tree. So what is the difference between external and tree? So the cb2.retr external only takes external layer, or we can say it will only take some layout, and this tree means it will take all part. For example, in your family, suppose if there are your grandfather, grandmother, father, son, then it will only take elder grandfather, grandmother, like this, and this tree will take like grandfather, grandmother, father, son, it will take everything. So this is the difference between this external and a tree. And what is the difference between chain approx simple and chain approx none? Suppose guys, this is our counter, then chain approximation method simple will take only 4 points, this point, and then this point, and then this point, and then this point. Simple will take only 4 points, but if we write none, then it will take whole point. So 1 to 3% whole point. So guys, what is the difference between this counter and this counter? It will take only background, means we are going to more deep level in this counter. And then as before, let me write if length of blackboard CNTS is greater than 0. If it found any counter, then CNT equals to, let me sort my counter. So I need to pass blackboard CNTS, and on the basis of I have to write cb2.counter area. So sort on the basis of counter area, and then I have to write reverse equals to true. So to sort in descending order, so true, and then I have to pass index 0. Now guys, if cb2.counter area CNT is greater than 1000. So what does this mean? Means if it will found a counter area of 1000, means it will do nothing with small blue color object. So if cb2.counter area CNT is greater than 1000, I have to draw a rectangle. So cb2.bounding rect CNT. So bound CNT with this rectangle, and it will give 4 value. So x, y, w, and h. Now I can get alphabet. So alphabet equals to, in blackboard gray, I have to pass y to y plus s and x to x plus w, and also I need to add 10 here. I need to subtract by here minus 10 and add here 10. In the same way, x minus 10, x plus w plus 10. So what is this? Suppose this is our blackboard and this is our alphabet. Now this code, this xyws is the coordinate of our counter, so coordinate of our alphabet. And this line blackboard gray from y minus 10 to y plus s plus 10 and x minus 10 to x plus w plus 10, it will extract my alphabet from my whole blackboard. So guys, this picture is my trace, and I need to find the counter in this trace, and then if I found a counter, then I need to find the x, y, w, s coordinate so that I can get alphabet. So this is it. Now we need to resize our alphabet. So img equals to cb2 dot resize ze. I need to pass alphabet, and I need to resize this image into 28 by 28 pixel. But we need to write this code into try and catch block. So let me write try, and I need to write it inside try block, and only we will resize if it is able to resize our image into 20 or 20 pixel. If not, then we will write here except if there are any error, cb2.error as e, we will continue means don't execute below code. So this continue will throw our execution to next loop, next iteration. So it will throw to the here, and if our code successfully resize our image, then it will execute our further code. Now I need to convert my image into number array. So np dot array, I have to pass img, and then I have to convert my pixel value 0 to 255 into 0 to 1. So let me write img equals to img dot age type float 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 32 divided by 255 as before. Sorry, I have to write here. Now I have to predict my image. So prediction equals to our model predict our image. So model dot predict, I have to pass my image. First of all, I have to reshape my image, single image into 28 by 28 pixel, and then I need to write 0, because in this 0 index we will get prediction. And then finally prediction equals to np dot argmax argmax. I need to pass prediction. So guys, suppose if I draw a, then this prediction will return like this, like 0.6, and then some other value 0.1, 0.2, 0. Like this 0.002, like this up to 26, because we have 26 letter. So this means 60% is sure that it is A, then 10% is sure it is B, 20% is sure it is C, like this. So if you add this all, then it will be equal to 1, means 100%, and the maximum value, then np.argmax will select maximum value. So the index of this is maximum, it is 60%. So it will predict A. It will predict A because in index 0 it is A. So it will return 0 for if this is maximum, 1 if this is maximum, like this. So since this is 0.6 is the highest, so it will return 0. So now prediction equals to 0. But I need to print A. This prediction will give me 0. So I need to write, you can see here, I need to write letters 0. I need to pass letter 0, letters 1, letters 2 while prediction. So let me delete this first. Now guys, I need to impede the point DQ and also blackboard. Guys, once I have completed writing, then it should automatically delete my letter. So you can see here, once I have written A, then it should automatically delete my A once I have shown this red color. So I need to impede this DQ and also blackboard. So let me write points equals to DQ max length equals to -12, and then blackboard equals to np dot fill blackboard with only zeros now to impede it. So np dot zeros, and 480, you can see here we have initially defined blackboard as 480, 640 and 3. Let me copy this and let me paste over here. Okay, and then d type equals to u int 8. Okay, we have deleted our we have cleared our blackboard. Now guys, you can see over here to draw suppose b, it will detect my point only. So let me do it. So this is 1 point, this is a 2 point, this is a 3 point, this is a 4 point, like this, and this is another point, this is another point, this is simply b, this simply b. Guys, this point will be in very close distance, but since I am drawing this in paint, so this is not looking nice, but you can think this line is only point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, like this. So we need to connect this all point. We need to connect this all point. So to do this, we need to write connect the detected points with line. So for I in range, I hope you know about for loop in Python. So 1 to points, length of points. I have to write if points I minus 1 means initial point, previous point. If points I minus 1 is none, or points I, point I means initial point. So this is a previous point and this is initial point. Is none, do nothing, just continue. And if it detects points, then draw line over here. So cb2.line, I need to draw line in frame. I have to pass this points previous point and initial point. So points I, and then you can see here this is a black color, so I have to pass black color over there. So black color is 0, 0, 0. So this is black color, and the thickness is suppose 2. In the same way, cb2.line, I have to pass in. I will do same in blackboard. So I have to pass blackboard, and points I minus 1, points I, and then suppose 255 and 255, and then thickness is 8. So what is this? So this is simply blackboard, and in blackboard I have to draw white color. So this is my white color, 255 is white color, and 8 is thickness. So guys, I need to display this letter in my screen also, and also I need to pass this image in my blackboard also, so that I can pass my image to my model and it will predict my letter. So guys, this is only to display letter, and this is to pass letter to my blackboard. And guys, finally we have to write over here cb2.putText. So this is put text means we have to put a prediction equals to and value. So put text inside a frame prediction colon and plus for concatenating string, and then I have to write letters and my prediction. So I have already said this prediction will return me 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 value, and I have to write I have to assess my value. So my prediction will give me key. Now using that key I can get value from A to Z. So letters prediction. Now I need to change this prediction into integer, and then I can concatenate only string. So I need to convert whole into string, and then I need to write the location of this prediction, where to write. So suppose 20,400, and then I can define font style. So cb2 dot font HERSHEY Hershey simplex. So this is the font style, so simplex, and then 0.8 is scale factor, and then 255 and 255 means this is color, white color, and then 2 is thickness. Guys, I think I have completed my code, and one thing I have to write here prediction equals to 26. Why? Initially when I open my webcam, there is nothing to predict, so it will show me empty. You can see over here initially prediction is now here underscore, but it will show nothing. So initially prediction equals to 26 means it will show prediction equals to in 26. Later 26 means nothing. Later you can see over here, later 26 means nothing. Okay, I think I have completed my code. Now let me first execute this code. So let me press shift enter. And guys, one thing, you don't need high quality camera in this project. It will predict good in very low quality image also. And guys, you don't or should not have any other blue color object. So guys, close your window and make your room little bit dark, so that it will predict very efficiently. So guys, now I am here, so let me predict my letter. So it is not writing something, so I have done something wrong, guys. So let me press enter. So I have been missing something, guys. Okay guys, I have missing here. So I have drawn my circle, but I need to find first x, y and radius, and I can get that x, y and radius. We have one method called cb2 dot min enclosing circle, and we need to pass counter. So it will give us xy coordinate, x comma y, and then radius, radius, radius. So this function will give us xy coordinate and radius, and we have passed over here. Okay, now let me check this once again. So shift enter. Now guys, if I draw a, okay, it is still not writing. Let me close this and let me check once again. Okay, I need to pass here 0 index. So here like this we need only CNTS. Similar like this we need only blackboard count, so we can pass 0 index over here. Now let me execute this cell once again. And also guys, we need to write here dtype equals to np.uint8. And guys, I have found the error, so I need to define here 140, 255 and 255 in upper boundaries. So let me now restart my kernel. and let me execute this whole cell once again. Okay guys, now let me write some letter. So this is W and my prediction is also W. Yes, this is yes, and in the same way if I write I in this way, capital I, so this is my prediction is also I. And in the same way if I draw B, okay, no, B, and if I draw Q, so prediction also Q. So guys, my prediction is very accurate. Now if I press enter, it should close my camera and it will destroy my all window. So guys, now this code works. And guys, if you feel any difficult in any code, you can all directly comment. I will reply as soon as possible. So guys, in this part 3 we have find counters in our blackboard, and then if it finds a counter, then we need to extract alphabet, and from that alphabet we have resize our alphabet, and then we have to predict our alphabet from our model. And then this is the code to connect our points with the line, and finally this is the code to write some text in our frame. And if I press enter button, it will destroy my window. So guys, practice it by yourself. This is very easy, and if you feel difficult, you can comment also. I will explain over there. And guys, how is this video? If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.